Welcome, Dollar Tree Floral Arrangement Tutorial. MsSassyPat. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pat. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect floral arrangement. All you need is some flowers, wire cutters, and a container or vase. So let's get started with this video. Design number 1. You'll need 2 pink lilies and 2 white lilies, your wire cutters, and a repurposed container or vase. So this is what the lilies look like. So I'm going to take the label off the lilies. And then I'm going to measure my container to see where I should cut the stems. So that's where I'm going to cut my stem. So there you go. So that's all 4 flowers. So taking the container, I'm going to place one in the back and one in the front. And then one on the left side. And then one on the right, and this is the finished product. It's so pretty. Design number 2. So I wanted to spruce up the container, so I'm going to be using these rhinestone sheets. And that's what it looks like out of the package. So look how pretty that looks. I just wanted to spruce it up a little bit. So they're in individual strips. So that's what it looks like again, and it's not enough to go all around the container. So I'm going to do a hack and take some tape. And there you go. And I'm just going to put the tape on each end. You could individually put the rhinestones on the container, but I didn't want to do that. So there you go. Look how pretty it looks. So I'm going to put the flowers in the front, in the back, and then on each side. And then I'm going to spruce it up a little bit. This is the finished product. I spent $5, $4 on the flowers, and $1 on the rhinestone sheets. It is so pretty. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my very next video.
Nice, alright. She got asked for life. Cook tonight, might save your life, alright. Maybe you should tell me. Maybe you should tell me. Your lace front and your toes did. She got life hacks. She got nice wit.